What is going on, guys? It's the card trick guy, and I'm going to show you another incredible card trick that is going to astonish everybody who you show it to. It's super simple to do, and it's just super cool when it's done. So let's just get right into it. So this deck can be shuffled. You can hand it to your spectator to shuffle, and after you shuffle, you're just going to look through the cards and say, just make sure that there's nothing out of order here, no like fishy stuff. We can even cut the cards, right? And you know what, let's just cut them again for good measure. So now you know there's just no possible way that I could done anything to the cards. There's no order here, there's no setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a couple predictions, okay? I'm going to make 3 to be exact, and there's one prediction right there, and there's another prediction right there, and yeah, I think this is my third prediction. So just in case the other 2 fail, we've still got that third one to back us up. Now, spectator, all I want you to do is take the cards behind your back, turn a card over on top, and then cut it so that it's going to be face up in the middle of the deck. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm going to take a middle card, place it at the top of the deck face up, and then just cut the deck. So now your card is in the middle of this deck somewhere, face up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to look for that card right now. And I can already start to see it. It is the 8 of hearts, okay? So now we have to check up on our predictions. My first prediction was actually the 8 of diamonds. My second prediction was the 8 of spades. And my third prediction was the 8 of clubs. And just like that, that's how I guess perfectly what card you're going to select. Now, this card trick is completely no setup. It's a great card trick, and it's super easy to perform. Let's get right into the tutorial to show you guys exactly how this card trick is done. Alright guys, now it's time for the tutorial. So basically you can shuffle the cards, you can cut the cards, you can do whatever you want to the cards, and when you're showing them that there's nothing out of order, you're just going to take a look at the 4th card from the bottom. So in this case it's going to be the 7 of hearts. And literally what you're going to do is, like right before you start looking through your cards, you're just going to discreetly turn that over, just like that. Now, if you're too scared to do this in front of spectators, and it works every time, I promise, they never notice, but if you're too scared, you can just start with the 4th card to the bottom, face down like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to make your prediction, and you're going to make every prediction be a 7, all the other 7s in the deck, right? So let's look for that 4th 7, which is actually at the top, interestingly enough. And what we're going to do is we're just going to ask the spectator to behind their back, take any card from the middle, flip it face up on the top of the deck, and cut it to the top. So in this case they chose the 4 of hearts, but that literally could not matter less. Because when we look through the cards, the first card that will appear is the 7 of hearts, and the 4 of hearts is lower down in the deck. So for that reason, when you're spreading through, you don't want to do these big pushovers. You just want to do little nice ones until you get to until you start to see the 7, and then you just do like even smaller. So then, okay, so the 7. And then all you have to do is just reveal your 3 predictions, and boom, that's the trick. It's super easy, and it's really cool when it gets performed. Everybody is just in shock, and it's a really fun trick to perform as well. So I really hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you next time.